Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use a reverse proxy on Janitor AI. In order to do so, here we are at janitorai.com, and to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, using a reverse proxy with Janitor AI can enhance security, improve performance, and help manage access to your AI deployment. Here's a safe general guide to setting up a reverse proxy for Janitor AI, assuming you have a web server like NGINX or Apache in front of it. A reverse proxy is a server that sits between client and your Janitor AI backend, forwarding client requests to the appropriate service and returning responses. This helps to hide your backend server's details, enable SSL TLS encryption, implement authentication or rate limiting, and load balance if needed. First of all, you're going to want to make sure that your Janitor AI backend is running on a local port. Choose your reverse proxy. Popular choices are NGINX, Apache, Caddy, Trafic. NGINX is common and well documented. Install reverse proxy. So you can see here some information on Cider AI. If you need some help with that, you can use Cider. Then you're going to want to configure a reverse proxy. You can create or edit an NGINX configuration file to forward requests to Janitor AI backend. We have an example here. Enable HTTPS to secure your connection, set up SSL certificates, and you can use certbot for a free SSL. This will update your NGINX config to use SSL automatically. And then you're going to want to restart NGINX and test the setup. You can visit https your-domain.com and confirm it forwards request properly to Janitor AI and check logs for errors. Additional security tips: only allow external HTTPS traffic to NGINX, not directly to Janitor AI's backend port. Add basic auth or OAuth in the reverse proxy if needed, and use NGINX rate limiting to prevent abuse. Ensure that NGINX, Janitor AI, and OS packages are all up to date. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and top AI recommendations, including some great promotions, as well as Cider AI. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it.